Ellis.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Durham County, southern Granville County, southeastern Orange County until 11:45 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Oxford, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Carrboro, Butner, Stem, Gorman, Lake Michie, Bahama, Lake Butner, Falls Lake, Bethesda, Anno River State Park, Parkwood, and Jordan Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, and Orange.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.